Hello friends, so today we will discuss IGCSE this paper of algebra questions. Previously we have discussed some topics related to algebra, so now we will discuss some few questions on this topic. So let's do that. How can we solve this equation? By doing that, it's very easy for me to do that. So let's see the question number 1. Simplify this equation. Like it's a 3x plus 4x plus minus 7 minus 2 plus right. Student, you can write your answer. First thing first, we have to write the like terms here. So this is a like term. This is a same variable having the like terms, and constant number has like terms. So first we write the like term, like 3x plus 4x plus 2x, and here is minus 7 plus 9. So how can you solve this one? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, that is 9x. And minus 7 plus 9, so that is a plus 2. I hope you understood these questions. And see the answer. The answer is a 9x plus 2. So that's the correct one. Okay. Now then we will go for the another questions. It's a linear equation question. For that one, how can you solve that? Okay. Solving this one is a very easy part. So here, how can we solve this? First thing first, we have to transpose this variable in the left hand side. So this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So how can you do that? So we have to transpose, it's a 2x minus 3x, and this side goes in this side, so their sign will be changed. So it's a plus 7 and it's a plus 3. This minus 5 will here goes, it will be plus 5. So this will be minus x, and this will be 12. How much? It's a 12 here. So it x equal to minus divided, so it will be minus 12. I hope you understood these questions. Now see the question number. Which number? We can see different questions like that one. Okay. So this number and this number, it will be transposed in this side. So how will you write? It's a 2x and it's a minus 3x. And this will be written as a 5x, and when 5 is transferred this side, so it will be plus 5 here. I hope that's clear. So it will be minus x here, minus plus 2 minus 3, it's a minus x, and this side is a 12. So we can write x equal to minus 12. I hope you understood this part. So now see the next question, and that is a x square. It's a minus 9 and plus 20. So we have to break it in the part and add to minus 5. So we can write 4 into 5. 20 is written 4 into 5, and when we add this number, so it will be minus 9. Okay, so their sign will be 5 and 5. Then it will be added. So x square minus 4x and minus 5x. Then it will be 9x. And then here it is 20. So suppose here we will take common as this one, so it will be x minus 4, and here suppose we take minus 5, so minus 5 divided, so it's only x, and plus and minus divided, so minus, and 5 divide 20, it's a 4. So again it's x minus 4, and here is x and here is a 5, so we can write it like this. Okay, now this question arises, how can you do that? Expand and simplify. First we need to multiply this part in this part, that is x square, and this is x into minus 2. This is multiply here, so it's a minus 2x. Now 3 is multiply in x, so plus 3x, and 3 is multiply in 2, so it's a minus 6x. So we can write like plus x and minus 6. So this is the simplest form. When we add this number, it will be plus x, and this is a minus 6. I hope you understood this part. Now see in the next questions. It's a very easy. To do that, a number is increased by 4 and the result is multiplied by 3. Then the final answer is 24. So final answer is equal to how much? It's a 27. Okay. and the number is increased by 4. Suppose number is x and that is increased by 4. Okay, and the result is multiplied, and this result is multiplied by a number 3. So this is our equation. So how will you solve that? That is a 3x plus 12 equal to 27, and this will 12 is subtracted, so 3x equal to 27 minus 12. So how much? It will be 15. So when we divide 3 both sides, so x equal to, we will find 5. 5 3s are 50. Okay, I hope you understood these questions. Now see the question number, this one, simplification part. Okay, 2x square minus 8. Suppose when we take the common as here 2, so it is x square minus 4 2 is 8, and this is x. Again this will be as x is a square minus b square form, so we can write like x plus 2 and x minus 2 equal to x. So this is the simplest form what we can do for this one. Okay, now see that these questions, algebra, it's equation 8. Question number 8, find the x as the subject. We have to find the x as the subject. So what can you write? So 4 is just a transpose in this side, it's a y plus 4 equal to 3x. When you divide both sides by 3, so it will be y. So this is a x as a subject. So we can write like this, y equal to 4 upon 3. So that's the answer. I hope you like these questions and understood well. Now algebra question 8, it's a 9. Find the nth terms of the sequence 5n minus 2, and what is the 10 terms? 10 terms, when we have to find the for a10, so we have to put the value here 10. It's a 5 into 10 minus 2, so that is a 50 minus 2, which is equal to 48. I hope you understood these questions. Now see this algebraic equation, algebraic question number 10, a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 3. So here we have to put that. It's a 2 into minus 3 plus a square means 2 square minus b square. Minus b square is minus 3 square, like that. Not only 3 square. Okay. So it is a 6. So this is a plus and this is a 9. Minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9. So 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 minus 9, which is a 1. Okay. Any questions you can ask me. If you have doubt, you can just comment me below. I will surely give you the answer on that. If you need a free demo class, you can just WhatsApp me on this number. Okay. Please like, subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much, guys.